Did you know that some of the most common fuel-saving tips are actually costing you money? That's right. Those expert tricks you've been following might be draining your wallet faster than your gas tank. From AC myths to premium gas scams, we're about to blow the lid off 10 dangerous fuel myths that are burning a hole in your pocket. In this video, we'll reveal the shocking truth behind these misconceptions and show you how to really save at the pump. You won't believe how much cash you've been wasting on that one magic additive. Stick around for number 2 on our list. It's a game changer. Number 1, turning off the AC saves gas mileage. Ready to bust a big fuel myth wide open? Let's talk about your car's AC. You've probably heard that turning it off saves gas, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to flip that idea on its head. Here's the cool truth. In modern cars, using your AC might actually be more fuel efficient than rolling down the windows. Why? It's all about aerodynamics. At highway speeds, open windows create drag that can guzzle more gas than your AC system. But what about city driving? That's where things get interesting. At lower speeds, cracking a window might edge out the AC in efficiency. But here's the kicker. The difference is so small, it's practically negligible. So next time you're sweating over fuel economy, remember this. Crank that AC guilt-free. Your comfort and your wallet will thank you. Number 2, manual transmissions always save gas. Now that we've cleared the air on AC myths, let's shift gears to another hot topic. Manual versus automatic transmissions. Remember when experts swore by manual transmissions for fuel efficiency? Well, times have changed. Modern automatics can now match or even beat their manual counterparts at the pump. But the real game changer, it's all about the CVT revolution. Continuously variable transmissions are rewriting the rules of fuel economy. These engineering marvels provide seamless transitions between gears, boosting efficiency beyond what we thought possible. In stop-and-go traffic where your manual driving skills are put to the test, CVTs truly shine. But here's where it gets interesting. While CVTs are impressive, dual-clutch systems are hot on their heels. These high-tech transmissions use 2 separate clutches, one for odd gears, one for even. The result? Lightning-fast shifts that keep your engine purring in its sweet spot. Number 3, cruise control uses less fuel. Speaking of purring engines, let's cruise into another fuel-saving debate. The truth about cruise control. You've probably heard it's the ultimate fuel saver on highways, but the reality might surprise you. While it's great for flat roads, cruise control isn't always the efficiency champion we thought it was. Did you know that cruise control can actually waste fuel on hilly terrain? That's right. Studies show that an experienced driver can outperform cruise control on varied landscapes. It's all about knowing when to ease off the throttle on inclines and let gravity do its thing on declines. But here's the real kicker. The key to maximizing your fuel economy lies in understanding when to use cruise control and when to take the wheel yourself. So when should you engage this feature? Stick around because we're about to uncover the secrets of smart cruise control usage that could save you big at the pump. Number 4, topping off gets you more gas. Ever wondered if you're overpaying at the pump? Well, the truth might be right under your nose, or rather at the tip of your gas nozzle. That satisfying click you hear when filling up isn't just a sound, it's a signal you're ignoring at your wallet's peril. Topping off your tank might seem harmless, but it's a surefire way to waste money and damage your car. Here's the shocking reality. When you force that extra bit of gas in, it's not going into your tank. It's either flowing back into the station's tank or worse, spilling onto the ground. But that's not even the costliest mistake. Overfilling can flood your car's vapor recovery system, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and potential engine issues. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Those extra drops add up to major pollution over time. Number 5, premium gas cleans the engine and gives better performance. Think you're doing your car a favor by splurging on premium gas? Think again. That high-octane fuel might be burning a hole in your wallet without giving your engine any real benefits. Here's the shocker. Unless your car specifically requires premium gas, you're literally pouring money down the drain. Let's break it down. Premium gas has a higher octane rating, starting at 91 or above. But here's the kicker. Most engines are designed to run perfectly fine on regular 87 octane fuel. That extra octane is not giving you better performance or a cleaner engine. In fact, studies show that cars meant for regular gas see 0 improvement with premium fuel. So why do people still fall for this expensive myth? It's all clever marketing. Oil companies push premium as the cleaner option. But the truth is, all gas types contain the same engine cleaning detergents. Number 6, filling up in the morning saves money. Did you know that filling up your tank in the morning doesn't actually save you money? That's right. The age-old myth about cooler temperatures giving you denser fuel is just hot air. The truth is, underground fuel tanks maintain a constant temperature, so the early morning fill-up isn't giving you any extra bang for your buck. But here's where it gets interesting. While the time of day doesn't matter, how you fill up could be costing you big time. Overfilling your tank isn't just wasteful, it could be downright dangerous for your car. When you force that extra bit of gas in, you're not just risking a spill, you could be damaging your car's vapor recovery system, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and potential engine issues. Number 7, driving on a low fuel tank destroys the engine. Ever heard that driving on a near empty tank will destroy your engine? Well, buckle up because we're about to blow the lid off another fuel myth that's been draining your wallet. Here's the shocking truth. Modern engines can handle low fuel levels without breaking a sweat, but don't celebrate just yet. There's a hidden danger lurking in your fuel system that could cost you big time. Did you know that your fuel pump relies on the surrounding gas to stay cool? That's right. And when you're running on fumes, that little pump is working overtime in a hot, dry environment. Over time, this can lead to premature wear and a hefty repair bill. But here's the kicker. While occasionally driving with low fuel won't destroy your pump overnight, making it a habit could shorten its lifespan significantly. Number 8, big gas stations have better fuel. You might think all gas is created equal, but here's a shocking truth. The fuel you're pumping into your car could be costing you more than just money at the pump. Did you know that all gasoline, regardless of the brand name, has to meet the same government standards? That's right. Whether you're filling up at a big name station or a small budget pump, you're getting essentially the same fuel. But here's where things get interesting. While big brands add special blends to their fuel, these additives don't actually improve your mileage or boost engine performance. So why are we paying extra for them? The answer might surprise you, and it's tied to a little known fact about your car's fuel system that could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Number 9, fuel additives improve mileage and engine performance. Ever wondered why those fancy fuel additives don't seem to make a dent in your gas mileage? You're not alone. Despite the flashy claims, most fuel additives offer minimal benefits at best. Real-world tests show only marginal improvements in engine performance, and the cost often outweighs any potential savings. Here's the shocking truth. Fuel companies don't include these additives in their gasoline because the benefits simply aren't worth the cost. So why are we still falling for this marketing ploy? The answer lies in a little-known fact about your car's fuel system that could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Experts agree that regular maintenance is far more effective than relying on additives, but there's an even bigger secret hiding under your hood. It turns out the key to unlocking your car's hidden potential isn't found in a bottle of magic fuel enhancer. It's actually tied to a component you probably haven't thought about since your last oil change. Number 10, shutting the engine off at a stop saves gas. Now that we've exposed the truth about fuel additives, let's tackle another burning question. Should you shut off your engine at short stops? You might think it's always better to kill the ignition, but the answer isn't so simple. Modern fuel-injected engines are way more efficient than their predecessors, using just a smidge more fuel to start than they do while idling. Here's where it gets interesting. For stops under 30 seconds, like at a traffic light, it's actually more efficient to let your engine run. But if you're stuck at a railway crossing or in gridlock traffic, shutting off could save you some cash. The real kicker? Hybrids have this whole start-stop thing figured out with advanced systems designed for frequent restarts.